Most people quit budgeting within the first month, not because they're bad with money, but because they do it the wrong way. If you've ever made a budget, got excited, and then watched it fall apart by week 2, this video is for you. Welcome back to Budget and Beyond. I'm going to show you how to create a budget that actually works. One that's simple, flexible, and built to last. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track your money, design a budget you can stick to, and still have room for the things you love. When I created my first budget, I guessed what I was spending. I thought I was spending about $50 a week on eating out, but when I actually checked my statements, it was closer to $250. That was my wake-up call. You can't manage what you don't measure. So start by tracking everything: income, bills, coffee runs, subscriptions. Use an app like Mint, YNAB, or just a simple spreadsheet. Do this for 30 days. No judgment, just awareness. You'll be shocked at where your money really goes. Once you've got your numbers, it's time to organize them. I love the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple and flexible. 50% needs, rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. 30% wants, dining out, streaming, hobbies. 20% savings and debt payments. When I first used this method, I realized my wants were actually eating up 45% of my income, mostly from eating out and subscriptions I never used. So I made small cuts, cancelled 3 subscriptions, started meal prepping, and suddenly I was saving an extra $200 a month without feeling broke. Here's where most people overcomplicate things. You don't need the fanciest app or system. You just need one that fits you. If you love automation, use YNAB or Mint. If you prefer control, try Google Sheets or Excel. Personally, I started with an Excel template I made myself. Simple categories, color-coded, and one goal: to stay consistent. Your budget tool isn't the key. Your consistency is. This is where most people fail. They make budgets that are so strict, they feel like punishment. So I started adding something I call fun money. Every month, I give myself a small, guilt-free amount for anything I want. Coffee, takeout, a new book. It's not about restriction, it's about control with flexibility. Once I added fun money, budgeting stopped feeling like a diet and started feeling like freedom. The final step, and the most important one, is to review your budget every month. Budgets aren't one-time projects. They're living, breathing tools that should grow with you. When I got a raise, I didn't just increase my spending, I increased my savings percentage too. When gas prices went up, I shifted categories around. That's how your budget survives, by adapting. Think of it like this: every dollar you track is a vote for your future. Most people drift through life wondering where their money went. You'll be the one who knows exactly where it's going and why. If you want my free budget template, check the link in the description below. And if you're serious about mastering your money, from saving to investing, hit that subscribe button and join the Budget and Beyond family. Because the right budget doesn't restrict you,